For the first time in 45 years, the swelling waters of the Yamuna River in Agra reached the walls of the iconic Taj Mahal, inundating a garden located at the rear of the monument. The water level in the river reached 497.9 feet, crossing the low flood level of 495 feet. The continuous rainfall has caused a concerning surge in the river's water level, leading to the flooding of the nearby Dussehra Ghat. Water also entered the outer parts of Itimad-ud-Daula's tomb. Amid concerns that monuments such as Rambagh, Mehtab Bagh, Zohra Bagh, Kala Gumbad, and Chini Ka Rauza may be at risk, officials at the Archaeological Survey of India claimed that these monuments have suffered no damage so far, and that floodwaters had not entered the basement of the Taj.
पिछले 3 दिन से लगातार बढ़ रहा है जल स्तर और अभी लो फ्लड लेवल को क्रॉस कर चुका है, किंतु अभी स्थिति नियंत्रण में है। जहां जहां पानी का बहाव बढ़ा है, जल स्तर बढ़ा है, वहां पर जो भी एहतियातन उपाय हो सकते थे, बैरिकेडिंग कराना घाटों पर या वहां पर पंपिंग सेट लगाना, वो सारी व्यवस्थाएं कर दी गई हैं। इसके अलावा लोगों को इवैक्यूएट करने की स्थिति में शेल्टर होम और बाकी सारी चीजें भी मुस्तैद रूप से तैयार कर दी गई हैं। अभी किसी भी जगह से लोगों को शिफ्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं आन पड़ी है, किंतु अगर ऐसी स्थिति आती है तो जिला प्रशासन और नगर निगम इस चीज के लिए तैयार है।
According to the Archaeological Survey of India, the Taj Mahal was developed in such a way that water cannot enter the main mausoleum even during high floods. The last time the Yamuna touched the back wall of the Taj Mahal was during high floods in 1978. Meanwhile, teams of NDRF, police, and administration have been rescuing people stranded in inundated low lying areas of Agra and Mathura. Over 500 people from 50 villages and 20 urban localities near the Yamuna have been shifted to safer locations. The water level in the river Yamuna in Mathura district touched 167.28 meter, which is above the danger mark of 166 meters. According to an official assessment, more than 500 bighas of farmland in Agra and Mathura districts have been engulfed by the flooding waters. Around 100 villages and urban localities are without power for the past 2 days. In the flood-ravaged regions of Mathura, residents report a dire situation where they are facing shortages of essential supplies such as ration and potable water.